Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to update MX records for business Gmail in Google Workspace. MX records are essential for directing your email traffic properly, and keeping them updated ensures your business emails are delivered without any hiccups. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, you'll need to navigate to admin.google.com in your web browser. Once you're on the page, sign in using your admin account credentials. Make sure you're using an account with administrator privileges, as standard user accounts won't have access to these critical settings. This is your gateway to managing all aspects of your Google Workspace environment. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your admin dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, then direct your attention to the left side menu. This is where all your primary navigation options are housed, and it's designed to help you quickly access different areas of your workspace administration. In that left side menu, look for the section labeled Apps. This area contains all the Google Workspace applications your organization uses. Click on Apps and you'll see Google Workspace listed among the options. Go ahead and click on it to expand the available choices. Once the options expand, you'll see Gmail listed. Click on Gmail to access its specific settings. This is where you can fine-tune how email works for your entire organization, from security protocols to routing configurations. The Gmail settings page offers a comprehensive view of all email-related controls. Now that you're in the Gmail settings, scroll down until you find the Setup tab. This might take a moment as there are several options on this page, but the Setup tab is where all the foundational email configurations live. Click on it to proceed. This is the critical section where your MX records are located. MX records control your email routing system, essentially telling the internet where to deliver emails sent to your domain. Here you can view your current MX record setup, update them if needed, or confirm that everything is configured correctly based on your business requirements. Whether you're switching email providers, adding backup servers, or simply verifying your current setup, this is your control center for managing how emails reach your organization. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.